Hello, good morning to one and all. My name is Professor Muhammad Atif from Anjuman College of Engineering and Technology. Here I am presenting my topic on concrete, where we will discuss its classification, properties, and types. First of all, what is concrete? Concrete is a composite material in which a binding material mixed in water on solidification binds the inner particle of well-graded fine and coarse aggregates. Cement and lime are generally used as binding materials, whereas sand, cinder is used as fine aggregates, and crushed stones, gravel, broken bricks, clinkers are used as coarse aggregates. Advantages and disadvantages of concrete. As a construct, concrete has the following advantages. Concrete can handle the compression stress 10 times more than the tension, and the most of the loads in our life is compression. Concrete is a brittle material which gives the advantage to make a rigid structure. Easy to handle over, especially now there is a plants that give you ready mix concrete. The disadvantages. Concrete is weak in handling tension. Because concrete is a brittle material, the strength upon shear, especially at 45 degrees, must be checked. Needs another material to reinforce it against excessive shear and tension. Qualities of good concrete. Strength. The concrete should be able to withstand the stresses that is subjected to. It is quite strong in compression but weak in tension. Durability. It should be durable enough to resist the effect of weathering agents. Density. The concrete should be well compacted so that there are no voids or hollows left. It should weigh 3000 kg per cubic. Watertightness. When used for construction of water retaining structures such as dams, elevated tank and water reservoirs, then moisture inside the RCC would corrode steel and leakage would start, resulting in the ultimate failure of the structure. Workability. It should be easily workable. Resistance to wear and tear. When used in floors and in construction of roads and concrete, the concrete should be able to withstand abrasive forces. Ingredients of concrete. The concrete consisting of cement, sand and coarse aggregate mixed in suitable proportions in addition to water is called cement concrete. In this type of concrete, cement is used as a binding material, sand as aggregates, and gravel, crushed stones as coarse aggregates. Green concrete and set. Freshly prepared concrete till it has not yet set is called as wet or a green concrete. After it has thoroughly set and fully hardened, it is called set concrete or just concrete. Types of concrete. Concretes are classified into different types according to binding material used in concrete, according to design of concrete, according to purpose of concrete, according to binding materials. According to binding materials used, concretes are classified into two types: cement concrete, lime concrete. According to binding material used, concretes are classified into two types: cement concrete and lime concrete. Cement concrete. In cement concrete, useful proportion of its ingredients are 1 part cement, 1:8 parts sand, 2 to 16 part coarse aggregates. That means 1 is to 2 is to 4. Uses: cement concrete is commonly used in buildings and other important engineering works where strength and durability is of prime importance. Lime concrete: the concrete consisting of lime, fine aggregates, and coarse aggregates mixed in suitable proportions with water is called as lime concrete. This type of concrete, hydraulic lime, is generally used as a binding material. Sand and cinder are used as fine aggregates, and broken bricks, gravel, can be used as a coarse aggregate. Placing of lime concrete. Placing of lime concrete shall be completed within 3 hours of adding water in case of concrete is prepared with hydraulic lime. Concrete should be well cured for a period of at least 10 days. Uses: lime concrete is generally used for sake of economy in foundation works, under floors, over roofs, and where cement is not cheaply and easily available in required quantity. According to design of concrete: plain cement concrete, reinforced cement concrete. So the very first type according to design of concrete is a plain cement concrete. This cement concrete in which no reinforcement is provided is called as plain cement concrete or mass cement concrete. This type of concrete is strong in taking compressive stress but weak in taking tensile stresses. Uses: plain cement concrete is commonly used in for foundation work and flooring of buildings. Reinforced cement concrete: the cement concrete in which reinforcements is embedded for taking tensile stresses is called as reinforced cement concrete. In this type of concrete, the steel reinforcement is to be used generally in the form of round bars 6 mm to 32 mm diameter. This concrete is equally strong in taking tensile, compressive, and shear stresses. The usual proportions of ingredients in a reinforced concrete are 1 part of cement, 2 part of sand, and 4 part of crushed stones or gravel. Uses: RCC is commonly used for construction of slabs, beams, columns, foundation, precast concrete. Air entrained concrete is another type of concrete. The concrete prepared by mixing aluminium in it is called air entrained, cellular, or aerated concrete. In this concrete, bubbles or hydrogen gas are liberated, which forms cell and make the concrete cellular. This concrete is used for lining walls and roofs for heat and sound insulation purpose. Lightweight concrete is another type of concrete. The concrete prepared by using coke, breeze, cinder, or slag as a coarse aggregate is called lightweight concrete. The concrete is light in weight and possesses heat insulating properties. Uses: this concrete is used in making precast structural units for partition and wall lining. Okay, that's the end of my seminar, my presentation. Thank you very much.